Imagine turning an industrial robot into a cutting-edge metal 3D printing system. Meet the Meltio Engine for Robot, a powerful, scalable, and flexible solution designed to supercharge your existing equipment with additive manufacturing. The Meltio Engine for Robot retrofits directly onto robotic arms, unlocking unmatched freedom of movement for complex geometries and high-performance parts. But why integrate the Meltio Engine with an industrial robot? Because it reaches areas and orientations that static systems can't. Also, it prints using stainless steel, titanium, Inconel, and more. Furthermore, the wire effect technology reduces material waste and overall production costs. It is perfect for small batches, prototyping, and large-scale repairs. Finally, it is compatible with ABB, KUKA, FANUC, and Yaskawa. This kit includes the high-performance laser head and control unit, a touchscreen HMI, cooling systems, material feeder, pre-assembled cables, tools, and training. All plug and play, all ready to go. Integration is simple. Mount the kit, ensure laser safety, connect VIM codes and I/O, slice with MesioSpace, and then print. At the heart of this workflow is MeltioSpace, our purpose-built slicing software for robotic wire LMD. With just a few clicks, users define the geometry, material, part quality, and MeltioSpace handles the rest. MeltioSpace unlocks complex 3D printing strategies from planar layers to non-planar deposition, radial path, or revolved slicing. The ability to combine 3D printing with the motion of the robot creates an entirely new dimension for manufacturing across multiple industries, such as aerospace, automotive, construction, energy, marine, or defense. The Meltio Engine can also repair large industrial parts, create lightweight yet durable components with complex internal structures, and build large-format parts by leveraging the robot's extended workspace. The installation process is completely reliable. Our global networks of certified integrators ensures local support, fast setup, and custom solutions. That's powered by Meltio Commitment. So, ready to break free from traditional manufacturing? Discover the power of robotic additive manufacturing with the Meltio Engine for industrial robots.